Hey guys, today we got a mid-roof design fiberglass top by Fibrobec. Fits the 14 to 20 F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. The Fibrobec caps are actually rebranded AREs, so this would have been an ARE CX series, rebranded it through Fibrobec. Has a couple minor scratches right there, a couple minor stone chips, but all in all this one looks pretty good. Not seeing a lot of damage on there. Top looks pretty good. Has the front glass in there. A little bit of a couple small chips right there. The glass does not shine into the cab area because the ARE got rid of that, so that's just for looks only. Bottom edge of this one's really nice shape. No damage on the bottom edge. Got a small spot, a little touch up I think was done there. Really, this one looks pretty good on this side. Has the sliding side windows. The front has the picture front window. Now it has a little bit of damage up here behind the back of the cab. Looks like the previous owner touched that up a little bit there. Has some scuffs right there. And then it's got some more scuffs right there. Not really sure why that's so scratched up, but they've touched it up the best they could, whoever had it before, and does have a couple scratches right in here as well. But like I said, all in all, and most of this area here you're not going to see anyways. It's behind the back of the cab of the truck. Top on this side looks pretty good. Back edge looks good. A little bit of a probably tree sap there. Small chip right there. Couple small scratches or something right there. Above the window looks good. Small little, barely see it, little stone chip right there. I don't even know if it shows up. There's a couple of them right here. Right there. Those are pretty small, but try to make sure you see everything. Bottom edge on this side looks really good as well. No damage on this bottom edge. Does have the single T-handle locking rear door. The inside is just a bare fiberglass. Has the sliding windows on the side. Screens look pretty good. I think there's a small hole right there in the screen, but oh wait, there's another one right there. Nothing real major, just a couple small holes. On this side, sliding window latches and slides open. The front window is fixed, picture window. On this side, we've got a small hole right here. There. The windows just slide, just release the latch, slide them open like so. Whoops. There we go. Slides open like so. And just shuts and then latches. There's the serial number. There's a specifically was built for a 2017 Ford F-150 Super Cab with a 6.5 foot bed. It is J7 magnetic is the color on that. So there it is. It's essentially it's an ARE CX series top, mid-roof design. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with the 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up, all online. There's also a link below to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, lift kits, things like that can be purchased online as well. As with all our units, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. These will need to be picked up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.